Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to create a virtual machine with Microsoft Azure. So to create a virtual machine, you click on this icon at the top left. Then if you scroll down here, you see virtual machines, then click on it. So it will take you to this page. So I've not created any virtual machine at all on this account, that's why it's blank. So to create a virtual machine, click on this icon here or this button, then click on this Azure virtual machine. So it will take you to this page here. So for you to create a virtual machine in Azure, you need to have a subscription. As you can see, I'm using a free tier subscription. So if I scroll down, you need to create a resource group. So resource group is just like a folder that contains your virtual machine. So create a new resource group because there's no one existing before. So let me just call it RG. Then you enter the name of your virtual machine. So I want to create an Ubuntu operating system. So let me just call the virtual machine Ubuntu VM virtual machine. So you need to select a region. So let me just select a region, mostly the region close to you. So let me just select any region of my choice. So which country should I select right now? Okay, let me just select this US East. Then if I scroll down here, so you leave this as it is. Then as you can see in this place that says image, this is where you're going to select your operating system. So Ubuntu is selected for me by default, but if I click here, you can see there are different operating system I can choose from. You can see Red Hat, you can see different operating system here. If I scroll down, you can see Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2022, Windows 11, Windows 10 Pro. Then leave it at default, which is on this Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS. You can leave this one as it is. Then when I scroll down, you can see this place that says size. So this is where you are going to select from different sizes that are out here. So let me click on all sizes and go for the cheap one. So it all depends on how you want to configure your virtual machine. So you can actually choose from anyone you want. So for me, I'll be going to the B series. Then I can choose this one, then click on select. So I've selected the size I want. This one costs $30.37 per month. So I'll scroll down. So the authentication type, I'll leave it as SSH public key because this is an Ubuntu operating system, so I prefer SSH for that. Then if I scroll down, it asks you to enter a username. So let me just enter username called Alexander. Okay. Then if I scroll down, I prefer it in this RSASSH format. So I'll choose that one. Then we'll be needing a key pair. So it's demanding for a name for a key pair. So let me just call it Alex underscore key pair as the key pair that I'm using for this virtual machine. So let me scroll down again. So here will be I'll be selecting the inbound port. So we'll be using SSH for connection. Then I will check the HTTP and HTTPS for the security. So I'll just click on this next. So in the operating system disk size, you can choose from different options here. So I'll just leave it at this default here. Then in the disk type, you can see there is premium SSD. So let me just go for the standard SSD. So you just select all these things based on your preference. So I'll be using this. Then if I scroll down, under key management, you can use either platform managed key or custom managed key. So let me just leave it at the default, which is platform managed key for simplicity. So if I scroll down, I'll click on networking. So in the virtual network, I'll just click on this one, create new. Then you select the address range. So I just quickly check this and check this, then click on OK. Then I'll leave the remaining one as default. Then you can actually customize it based on your preference, but I'll just leave it as default. So I'll just scroll down, leave everything as it is. I will not be using a load balancer for this yet, so I'll just keep it simple. Then let's go to our management, then scroll down, then go to monitoring. Then I'll leave it as default. Go to advanced. Nothing to change here. So let me just click on this review and create. So before creation, it will take us to the review where we'll see how much we'll be spending per hour. So for this virtual machine, it will be costing us 0.0416 USD per hour. So here is the review where you can review all your sets. Then you can still make changes if you want. So I think there's no changes I'll be making. I'll just simply click on create. So wait for the virtual machine to create. So you can see generate new key pair because we are using a new key pair. That's why it's popping up this. So let's click on download private key and create resource. So it's actually downloading. We have downloaded our key pair. Initializing deployment. So we have downloaded the key pair which we use to have access to our virtual machine. So let's wait while the virtual machine finish creating. So deployment is in progress. So you can see this pop-up, deployment succeeded. So we have successfully created our virtual machine. So click on this go to resource. So it takes you to this page. So you can see what we just created right now. So it's showing us the details about the virtual machine. So you can actually click on this connect, then click on connect. So you can see our public IP address is showing as this. So I can actually like copy it to the clipboard. So there are different ways you can connect to your virtual machine. So you can connect to your operating system in different ways, either by using this Azure CLI or using native SSH or using PuTTY. So I'll show you how to use this Azure CLI and also PuTTY. So to use this Azure CLI, all you just need is to click on this select. So I'll check this and click configure plus connect. So you can see it's popped up this welcome to Azure Cloud Shell. So it's asking us to select either bash or PowerShell. So let me go with PowerShell. So select the free tier on subscription, then click on apply. So I'll just cancel this. That will be used on this PowerShell. So as you can see, I've connected to my Ubuntu. Then type on yes. So let me maximize this. So as you can see, we are connected to we are logged into our Ubuntu. So to show that we are in Ubuntu, I can run this command ls la. So you can see I'm logged into my Ubuntu. So let me show you another way you can actually enter your Ubuntu operating system. So let me copy this IP address. So to connect with PuTTY, you know, if I click here, you see that the key pair we downloaded is .pem. So we first need to convert it to ppk if we want to use to put it to open our operating system. So I'll go here and type on PuTTY. So if I double click on it, PuTTY will open. Then I'll go to this place that says load. Then go to my downloads. Then by default it's not going to show. So if I click here, then click on all files, then I can see the key pair that I just downloaded. I'll select it and click open. So I'll click on OK. Then click on this one that says save private key. Then click on yes. So I'll save it as how will I save it? Okay, let me save it as Alex ppk, or let me just save it as Alex underscore key pair. Then click on save. So as you can see, I've saved the private key. So I can close this or open PuTTY right away. So if I type on PuTTY, then I can open on the PuTTY app here. Then for me to open for me to open our operating system, which is the Ubuntu virtual machine we just created. So let me copy this our IP address here. Then go to PuTTY. Okay, open the app or the software. Then paste in the IP address here. Then I'll click on this SSH. Then click on auth. Click on credential. Then click on browse. So you can see this key pair that I just saved right now, .ppk. So I click on open. Then click on open right here. So it's going to ask for my username. I'll write Alexander, enter. So as you can see, I've successfully logged into my operating system. So I can do ls la. You can see this is how to create a virtual machine in Azure and log in with PuTTY as well as Azure CLI. Hello, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Kindly like, comment and share this video. It will give me more encouragement to make more exclusive content for you all. See ya.